In times of economic uncertainty, it's natural to seek out recession-proof opportunities that can not only weather the storm but thrive in challenging times. History has shown that innovation often flourishes during economic downturns, and the rise of artificial intelligence presents a plethora of profitable opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. In fact, some of the most successful businesses we know today were born during the last recession in 2008 and have grown into multi-billion-dollar enterprises. Today, with the accessibility and affordability of AI technology, launching your own business has never been easier. In this video, we will explore 6 recession-proof AI automated side hustles that have the potential to make a significant impact on your financial future. Each idea will be ranked based on its initial cost, its potential to generate income, and how well suited it is to withstand economic challenges. AI business number 1 taps into the booming pet industry. In recent years, the pet industry has seen remarkable growth, with a steady annual increase of 6%. The lockdowns during the pandemic further boosted this industry, as people's love for their furry companions led them to spend generously on pet essentials and products. Rather than attempting to create the next groundbreaking pet product and investing heavily in research and development, a smarter approach is to focus on the pet-loving community and create a personal brand for beloved pets through pet blogs and Instagram pages. The idea is to capitalize on the immense potential of pet influencers and the popularity of their accounts. In fact, some of the highest-paid pet Instagram accounts make a staggering amount of money through sponsored posts and other monetization avenues. For instance, accounts like Loki the Wolf Dog command around $6,800 per sponsored post. Consistency in posting and engaging content can lead to considerable affiliate income, ad revenue, and even the possibility of selling your products in the future. This strategy requires dedication and patience, especially if you're starting from scratch without a pet. But with powerful algorithms on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, building a following and securing brand deals becomes feasible. Alternatively, if you don't own a pet, there are still opportunities to provide value in the pet industry. You can become a pet trainer by offering pro bono services to a few puppies or dogs in your neighborhood. By documenting and refining your training methods, you can develop a proven formula that can be shared with others, allowing you to monetize your newfound skill and expertise. AI business number 2 Kids Coloring Books, a surprisingly profitable and recession-proof venture that taps into the immense potential of parents' love for their children. As we know, when economic uncertainty strikes, families tend to prioritize essential items and cut back on luxury purchases. Kids' books, especially coloring books, have proven to be among those essentials. Parents are willing to invest in products that keep their little ones entertained and engaged. You might think, coloring books? Isn't that a bit old school? Well, not quite. The modern twist to this classic industry lies in leveraging the power of AI to create and market these products effectively. Kids' coloring books have a massive market, and data from Etsy stores reveals that some sellers are making nearly $5,000 per month just from selling these books. The first step is to use AI tools like DALL-E to create appealing designs for your coloring book. AI can generate endless ideas based on prompts, ensuring that your book caters to specific themes, like fish swimming in coral reefs or cute animal illustrations. Next, use print-on-demand services like Lulu or Mixam.com to get your book printed and ready for sale. Now, the key to maximizing profits lies in upselling. Instead of just selling a coloring book, consider offering additional items like crayons, coloring pencils, custom notebooks, carrying pouches, and more. This strategy raises the average order value, boosting your overall revenue. To market your coloring books, Etsy is an excellent platform for custom-designed products. It has a vast audience, and many people buy products from Etsy stores daily. Utilize AI-driven tools like Zapier to automate certain processes and streamline your workflow. AI business number 3 An automated web development company, a savvy and recession-proof venture that capitalizes on the vast opportunities within the digital realm. Despite the digital age, many local businesses still lack a strong online presence. As a tech-savvy entrepreneur, you can leverage AI tools to create and market websites for these businesses, helping them succeed in the digital landscape. The potential for profits in this AI-powered web development business is massive. Imagine offering services like video creation, running Facebook ads, and revamping outdated websites at a fraction of the cost, thanks to the efficiency of AI tools. In the past, these services could easily fetch anywhere from $200 to $1,000. And even now, web development projects can be worth tens of thousands of dollars. To get started, you need a reliable platform for hosting and creating websites. Hostinger comes to the rescue, offering a seamless experience with a free domain included in all annual plans. WordPress is your go-to tool for building scalable and customizable websites, with thousands of plugins and integrations to suit various business needs. With the combined power of AI-driven WordPress tools and Hostinger's functionality, you can streamline the web development process. Create websites for local businesses, restaurants, hair salons, real estate companies, and more, and watch as your side hustle gains momentum. Not only can you offer your services to other businesses, but you can also build your own website using these tools. AI business number 4 brings us back to the exciting world of Etsy, but this time we're exploring a unique and unsuspecting niche: custom coffee mugs. While many might initially dismiss this idea as impractical, it's important to remember that even during tough economic times, people still desire basic items that bring joy and personalization to their lives. Imagine offering beautifully designed coffee mugs that customers can't resist. Instead of settling for generic options from big retailers, they'd be willing to spend a little more on something they truly love. It's all about finding those untapped markets and using AI to deliver fresh, customized designs that cater to individual tastes. To get started with this AI-powered side hustle, you can leverage the power of print-on-demand services like Printful. These platforms enable you to easily create and customize various items, including coffee mugs, without the need to hold inventory up front. You design the mugs, and Printful takes care of manufacturing and delivering the product to your customers. But here's the real game changer: AI comes into play to revolutionize the design process. Utilizing advanced AI language models like ChatGPT, you can brainstorm and generate unique, creative designs for the coffee mugs. The possibilities are endless, and you'll be amazed at how AI can spark new ideas and provide fresh perspectives to attract customers. Imagine creating mugs with witty quotes, stunning illustrations, personalized messages, or even custom designs based on customers' preferences. With AI at your side, you can quickly iterate through countless design concepts and find the perfect ones that resonate with your target audience. AI business number 5 brings us to the world of content editing and language tutoring. In today's age of aspiring influencers and content creators, having a second set of eyes on your writing is invaluable. Enter ChatGPT, a powerful tool that can serve as your writing assistant, helping individuals refine their tone, spelling, structure, and overall clarity. Compared to other grammar checkers or basic autocorrect features, what sets ChatGPT apart is its versatility and the ability to ask specific prompts. This opens up a whole new world of opportunities for this AI-powered side hustle. Not only can you assist content creators with their blogs, YouTube scripts, or social media captions, but you can also venture into other industries that demand language proficiency. For example, language tutoring is a lucrative market, especially with the rise of online platforms like Preply. Whether it's helping someone improve their English diction or providing tutoring sessions in your native language, AI tools like ChatGPT can enhance the tutoring experience. You can create a customized curriculum for your students, set goals, and even use ChatGPT as your virtual assistant to make your tutoring sessions more efficient and impactful. Imagine helping individuals perfect their language skills without the stress of developing extensive tutoring materials. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can create personalized lesson plans and tailor the learning experience to each student's needs and goals. This approach can not only benefit your students but also boost your confidence and leadership as an entrepreneur. AI business number 6 delves into the world of consulting, an industry where knowledge and expertise hold great value. With AI's vast capabilities, especially with tools like ChatGPT, you can leverage its power to scale your consulting business and provide valuable insights to clients looking for expert advice. Consulting is a profession that many entrepreneurs and business owners turn to for specific problem solving. They seek guidance to make critical decisions that can shape the future of their businesses. By having your own consulting agency and incorporating AI-powered assistance, you gain a tremendous advantage, a digital superpower, so to speak, that can boost your efficiency and decision-making prowess. As a consultant, you might encounter clients seeking advice on reducing business expenses, reevaluating their marketing strategies, or streamlining their operations. When you're faced with complex scenarios and need unbiased and logical answers, ChatGPT can be your go-to resource. By presenting a prompt like, "Pros and cons of cutting expenses for this specific business," to ChatGPT, you'll receive insightful and data-driven responses that can complement your own expertise. The beauty of combining human consultation with AI assistance is the potential for even more informed and comprehensive recommendations. While you bring your industry knowledge and experience to the table, ChatGPT can provide fresh insights and alternative perspectives. This powerful collaboration enables you to deliver exceptional value to your clients. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3-5 times per week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial